Hi, welcome. It's me, the Codeless Alpha. So today we'll be learning how to use Truts. Truts is a DAO tool that helps you discover cool communities, especially if you're a Web3 newbie, and also review these communities if you have been a contributor or even a supporter of these communities. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to connect wallet. So to connect our wallet, as always, make sure you are on www.truts.xyz. Let's go to the connect wallet button. So while we're here, I'm going to connect the wallet with my mobile wallet. So I'm going to use my Trust wallet on my mobile device. So I click on connect wallet. I go to wallet connect. I'm going to scan the QR code. So while we're waiting, yes, I am connected. So right here, you can be able to search for different communities. We can see on Truths, we have about 550 communities that have been listed and verified. Over 300 reviews that have been posted, and 500 individuals who even joined Web3 through Truths. So let's just scroll down. Let us select service DAOs. So we have Super Team, we have X DAO, we have Super Woman DAO, we have Meme DAO, and a couple of others, even WGMI, Argon, Developer DAO, and a couple of other DAOs. So why don't you try and use Truts.xyz and give your reviews of the communities that you have either been an early contributor or early supporter